Hello, all. So we are looking at CircuitVerse, and you should be able to get into this. I've given you the link, but some things I wanted to point out to you. First of all, you can look in the help feature. The tutorial guide, let's see what it has, is a little more than we just did in the video that I showed you. There's a user manual. I I don't think some of this is good, but what I really want you to see is this discussion forum. And even in the discussion forum, I ask, how do teachers set up a class? But I have also emailed them. So for now, you will have to just take a picture of your screen and then submit it for me to prove to me that you did it. But eventually, I hope that I can put these assignments in here and grade them in here so that I can actually check to see that your circuits are working. So, what would you like to know? So, what I would like you to do for this week is you're going to make two inputs, and it doesn't really matter what they are. We'll put this one down a little. And then you are going to add some gates. Now, in class, we have used the inverter. I'm going to try to line these up. And let's give ourselves a little more. The inverter, we've used the AND. So I want this on that line. And so I would like you to look at the NAND and see what you think is happening there. And then we are also going to be adding the OR, which you looked at in class. And then this is what they call a NOR because it has the bubble at the end. And so then we might as well include, this is called an exclusive OR. We might as well add that. And then this would be an exclusive NOR. So what you are going to do is you are going to connect these. So connect these, you're going to click on the first spot, and then you are going to just drag it to where you want it. Now, if this one's actually going to go to the bottom one here. So this we can probably put a label in here, but this is input 1, input 2. And we are going to, all of these circuits are going to have this same input 1 and input 2. So we're just going down and we're collecting them all. Now I want you to see, because some of you have turned in the past, but if you turn it in like that, can you see it's not connected? It's not going to work. So you want to click on that again and drag it over. So you're just clicking, dragging, and releasing. So, and then you were going to do the last one here. And then what I want is the other ones to be the other input for all of these. So I kind of messed up. I was going to put that there. Okay, doesn't matter. Um, so for the other one, we're going to go like that. Uh, the second input on all of these is going to, or the lower input on all of these is going to be the second input. Note that your inverter, well, the inverter is called a NOT gate as well. The inverter, which is up the top, only has one input, so we can only connect one thing. Okay? Now, so for each of these, I would like to put an output for all of them. And so we are going to put this. And notice that it has an X. X means it doesn't have anything yet. So you can put all these X's, and you kind of, in order to make your drawing look nice, you want to line these up with the gate, the output of these gates. Otherwise, you're going to have a pretty messy looking circuit when you're done. And there you go. There you go. And there you go. Oops. I don't have them all lined up and pretty, but you can line them up and all have them pretty. So notice that when you mouse over these different things, look on the bottom right hand side of the screen. This one here says RGB LED tooltip. RGB LED inputs 8-bit values for the colors red, green, and blue. Okay, this one, it changes its intensity, but this one here is going to glow when the input is high and I believe it's off. So let's just throw this one in here to see what this one is going to do, and we're just going to tie it to the output of the NOT gate. So now we want to have all these be connected. Notice when I connect them, the value that they are going to be lights up. Okay, so like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, so once they're hooked up, they all turn blue. So what you're going to do is if you just click on these, it toggles them. So what you are going to do, I would like you to make tables because I want you to check that these, and so submit your tables to me as well, to check what the outputs of all of these are. Um, and you can see the truth tables in the book. So it should have a line for 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. So you're going to go through these. So the first one would be 0, 0. Then what happens if we change this one to a 1? Look at the outputs. And then I'm going to be asking you to compare what's the difference between these and these and these. Okay, so you're going to be creating truth tables for every single gate here. Um, so, well, okay, what happens if we change this to 1, 1? Okay, and what happens if we change this to 1, 0? How did the outputs change? So if you do not connect these correctly, your inputs won't be going in, and you won't be getting anything here. Okay, so you really want to make sure that everything is connected. So that's it for getting used to this for now. So have a great day.